Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you would replace the rear lights. So this is the whole rear light. This would be the reverse light. This is the blinker. Then you have a parking light that goes here, a parking light / clearance light, called all different types. And this one is a double element, which is your brake and tail light. And then right here is your center brake light, or sometimes referred to as the third brake light. And then right under here is our license plate lights. And we'll go over how you replace those also. Right? So I'm going to go take the brake off, and you're going to see that this is a double element bulb that will go, it'll go lighter when the brake is not applied. So now you see the blinker is off. This would turn on when you put it in reverse, and the brake lights are off, and this side marker light's on. So that is all the explanation of all the light bulbs that are in here, and now we will go over how to replace all those. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.